Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, back to me again. My name is Kenzie and today we have another video demo, and today is a special video because it's our first project on a new application. It's not Codelar again, but it's now Flutter. So Flutter is basically a place for you. You can say that it's an application that you can code inside, and it's mainly used on applications. So if you want to make applications, you can use Flutter. So today I will give you guys a demo about a dashboard Islam. So Islamic dashboard. Yeah. Because if you guys can see over here, this is the project I have made. There's the Assalamualaikum, is the opening, like Fulan. And if you guys can see this error because we are using on a browser, but it's actually the time, the place for the azan. If you guys can see. So that's the inspiration over here. So there's about dua, zakat, jadwal salat, and video kajian. You guys can see over here, but it's not completed yet. So this is the inspirations. We add a photo, tahajjud, and there's the tahajjud again. So it's not fully completed yet, but yeah, this is the first step, and we're told to make a demo, and it's approximately 3 minutes, but maybe it's about 5 minutes. So if you guys can see over here, this is the code. So let's split it in half, shall we? Okay, never mind. Let's just make it a full screen. So if you guys can see over here, there's a lot of stuff, but we're focusing on the main Dart first because it's the main part. So first, it will import the package, the images. It will import the images, and it will import the images too. This is for the import. So this is the void main. It will extend my out to stateless widget, const app super key. This is the widget for the root of your application. So this is the root, and it will make a title and a theme and a theme. So this color scheme is the purple, the seed color. So it is a home dashboard screen. So class homepage extends that for widget, const my homepage super key, and final string title about override my homepage, create state my homepage. So it will create a state and class my homepage extend. So because basically it will make an int counter, and it will increment the counter. It will increment counter. It's called set it the Flutter framework that something has changed in the state. So it will override which build, and it will return a scaffold and make an app bar. So the background color, the theme, the context is color scheme, inverse primary, title text, which is title, body in the center, child column, main axis alignment, center, child, children, widget, context. You have to push the button this many times. If you push too much, it will give this thing a warning for you. And there's the style again, floating action button. It will make the action button floating. On press, increment counter. If you press it, they will add one, and child const icon add. So yeah, that's for the main dart, and there is the dashboard. But first, we'll go to PubSpec YAML. So it's basically for framework. We will add a framework in here. The dependencies, Flutter SDK. Yes, this is the framework. There's the Cupertino, Flutter Mask text, geolocator, permission handler, geocoding, Chewy to play Flutter. Basically, we're adding a lot of stuff from outside. And let's go to the dashboard screen. Start. So it will import all the photos, and it will make a dashboard screen, create a state dashboard screen, and it will start class with dashboard screen state extend. So it'll make a location. It will add the location because, like I said before, we're adding a framework, basically a thing outside of that we make. We're taking it from a person, from a people, and it will load a lot of stuff first, and it will make the background image, which is this, the header. So and it's a list as a list, and will override is basically update prayer times, future for the future, final place, wait service get current place mark, and the location if if it's null or if it's none, it will set the location that it's not here and it's error and error. So you guys can see, it's error and error because we're using a browser, and we make a string city Bogor, a string month, the format YYY, uh, format date now, string year, format YYY, format date now. And the prayer time with service fetch jadwal salat, city month year, final next prayer, calculate for the next prayer, and set state is for us is for the location, and prayer time basically will set the state on the prayer name, time, background image, and it will make a state again if it's failing, location, prayer time, prayer name, make the widget, find the widget. So we make a container, and it's the height of 250, the width double dot infinity, a decoration, box decoration, of course. We'll make an image. We'll add an image in here as image, background image. Fit the box fit is cover, so it's for the decoration image. And box decoration, and the child for the child. We add a lot of stuff again, like child container, margin for the edge insets all 12, and the padding 8, decoration color white, text Assalamualaikum full. So it's for the this thing. Make a box with a text. So yeah, in here box for a text. I will make it quite faster. Guess yeah. The prayer time, the prayer name. It will make the prayer time and the prayer name. It will make this thing, yeah. And after that, we'll make the color to want the color to red on the children. The text box size with 6 tags on the location style black, and pop-ins regular. So there's text style, there's text, row, column, and container. So widget card menu. Okay, it's taking quite a long time. Oh, okay, it's almost done. So let's make it faster, okay? So we make card menu for the card edge. We make the settings for the box decoration, where the place you want to add, and build item dua. So we make add the photo and make the size, the width is tall. So you guys can see it's over here. So it's called Bitakwa. So yeah, we're using this asset and sebuah video kajian. And the next, which is the string route, string asset, and string title. Return gesture detector. So it's for the gesture detector. So for the basically yeah, and we add the color black, title, and textile. So we did the cardboard inspiration. So now it's the bottom part. So yeah, inspiration. This kind of thing. So it's very simple. We make a container again, edge insert all 16, column on the child, children, we add alignment on the top left, and we add the text inspirasi or inspiration. So style, textile, font, family, pop-ins, and the font size 20. So we add a size box with a height of 8, and add this photo, and height 8, and add this photo again. So override, widget builds context, then scaffold, body, safe area, child list view, children header menu, and card inspiration. So that's for the dashboard screen on the parent surface. So this is us importing for all the stuff that is from outside. We add convert, geocoding, geolocator, HTTP, until Dart, permission handler, and permission handler. So this is for us permit on the location, like request permission. So every time we start on the website, we'll ask, do you allow us to open on your location and check on the time and time and a date over there? And return status is granted. So taking the location, this is us taking the location, position, weight calculator, get current position, this is our accuracy, and we want this accuracy to high. And weight, place mark from coordinates, we take the latitude and the longitude. Turn place mark is not empty, and the place mark first is null. So yeah, we're using API in here, so we're taking the solid schedule, so the player schedule from an API. So we take the API in here, and final response with HTTP URI parse. So we're parsing this URL. So if the response status code is 200, then return JSON to decode. So we're decoding this part because we take it as a byte, Unicode, you know. So uh, else throw exception if it's fail to download Jadwal Salat. So we're counting the Salat, final row, date time now, final format, date format, my bad guys. And the final is the final, and today date format year month date format now. So make it smaller. So the JSON. So for schedule element, make the element tanggal and data, or else it will be nothing. If schedule is nothing, return NA, so nothing at all. And the final play is subuh, format parse loose. Today's schedule subuh, basically subuh for subuh, zuhur, asar, maghrib, isha. So it will format parse loose. And a string on the next prayer is subuh, and duration will cause duration, subuh, and the difference on now. Tell the difference. Pray for each prayer and time, final duration time. Difference. If duration is bigger than duration 0 and duration is smaller than closest duration becomes duration and the next prayer become a prayer. So it's basically the counting for the time, like when is the next. Yeah. And return the name and the time. And it's changing the background depending on the hour. So if the hour is smaller than 12, it will make the morning. If the hour is smaller than 18, afternoon, else it will make the night. And yeah, that is the code, guys. Thank you so much for listening. It took 12 minutes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.